Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Jahangir'S Science School. I am going to discuss about IGCSE O-Level Physics Unit 1 Chapter 1 Movement and Position, question number 2. In the last video we discussed about question number 1. Today we start question number 2. The diagram shows a child on a jeep line ride. During the ride, the child slides along a metal wire with the velocity in the direction shown in the diagram. Tension of the rope act upward because weight of the person acts downwards. Weight of the child acts downwards, it moves downwards, so velocity downwards. The diagram also shows the tension of the force acting on the safety harness the child is wearing. Question A. Force and velocity are example of the vector quantity. State what is the mean by the term vector quantity. The physical quantity which require both magnitude and direction to represent completely is called vector quantity. On the other hand, scalar quantity, the physical quantity which have only magnitude, no direction, is called scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, tension is a scalar vector quantity. Tension, all type force is vector quantity. Like weight is a vector quantity, friction, magnetic force, all are vector. Drag force, air resistance, all are vector quantity. So the physical quantity which have both magnitude and direction is called vector quantity. So the quantity that has both magnitude and direction is called vector quantity. Vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. So remember, displacement is a vector quantity, velocity is a vector quantity, acceleration is a vector quantity. So displacement is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Acceleration is a vector quantity. All type force is vector quantity. Weight is a kind of gravity force or gravitational force, so weight is a vector quantity. Tension is a vector quantity. Now draw question number B. Draw level arrows on the diagram to show two other forces that act on the child. So draw a level arrows on the diagram to show two other forces that act on the child. So weight of the child and drag force or air friction. Drag force acting opposite to the movement. So drag force or air resistance. Air resistance, drag force are the opposing force. The air resistance, when any object moves through air medium, then molecules of the air tries to oppose the motion. That force is known as air resistance or air friction. Drag force, when any object moves through fluid or liquid medium, then molecules of the liquid gives an opposing force to the moving object is known as drag force.